Daily driving a Mercedes C-Class. Small issues that affect the experience. The Mercedes C-Class is often praised for its luxury feel, smooth design, and premium badge. But daily driving reveals small quirks that don't show up on test drives. Today, let's talk about those subtle driving issues that slowly affect the overall experience. Ride comfort on everyday roads. While the C-Class feels composed on smooth highways, city roads tell a different story. Sharp bumps, expansion joints, and uneven surfaces are felt more clearly than expected. Some drivers feel the suspension leans more towards sporty firmness than relaxed comfort. Steering feel in daily use. Steering is precise, but not everyone finds it engaging at low speeds. In traffic or tight parking situations, it can feel heavier or slightly artificial. Over time, drivers notice it doesn't always communicate road feedback naturally. Throttle response in stop-and-go traffic. Acceleration is smooth, but initial throttle input can feel hesitant. In slow-moving traffic, this delay makes the car feel less responsive than expected. It's subtle but noticeable when you drive the car every single day. Transmission behavior at low speeds. Gear changes are mostly seamless, but low-speed shifts can feel inconsistent. Some drivers report mild jerks when crawling or during sudden slowdowns. It doesn't feel broken, just not as polished as the luxury image suggests. Drive modes that don't always match expectations. Switching between comfort and sport doesn't always bring dramatic differences. Comfort mode can still feel firm, while sport sometimes feels overly aggressive for daily use. This makes it harder to find a truly relaxed everyday setting. Road noise over time. Cabin insulation is good, but tire and road noise can creep in on rough surfaces. As miles add up, drivers become more aware of sound levels during longer commutes. It slightly chips away at the premium feel. Braking feel in normal driving. Brakes are strong, but initial pedal feel can be touchy. Light braking sometimes feels less predictable in slow traffic situations. It's something drivers adapt to, but it takes time. Conclusion: none of these issues ruin the Mercedes C-Class experience, but they do shape daily driving. These small details matter more over time than on day one. Understanding them helps set realistic expectations for living with a C-Class every day.